Okay, so this is me talking to my camera, and honestly, it's not easy. Like, it's not easy. Like, how do people just open their camera and start talking like CNN reporters? Cause me, I am shy. I'm very, very shy. Well, I'm shy small. Normally, I can do voiceovers, catch crews, and nothing would happen. But right now, I am looking at this camera and it's looking back at me. We are both looking at each other. But I decided to practice, because how else will I grow? My voice might be shaky. You might hear N 15 times, but we are practicing, right? So if you are listening to this, if you're watching me, just know that this is me showing up scared. But I'm just showing up. I know that one day I would start talking like a pro. I would start to talk like a pro, and I won't be scared anymore. I'm just pleading with you guys to just work with me, because I've been scared to start this content thing, but I've been seeing people doing theirs and doing well, so I decided to start mine. I just hope that you guys would encourage me on this journey. Thank you so much. Bye.